Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to sign in to your Prime Video account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type primevideo.com and hit on enter right now. This right here is the homepage of Prime Video. Well, as you can see, lots of things are provided here, but what we want to do is simply sign in. Right here on the left corner of the screen, you'll see something like sign in. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Initially, it's gonna ask you to enter your email address or phone number. Simply enter it right now. Once you've entered it, what you need to do is simply hit on continue. Once you're in this page, it's gonna ask you to enter your password. In case you forgot your password, what you can do is click on this forgot your password button and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. If you have to change your email address, hit on this change button right here. Once everything's okay, click on this sign in button right here, and then you'll be signed in to your Prime Video account. Well guys, that's it. That's how you sign in to your Prime Video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, to remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.